Hey there hippies, it's Courtney Shavante here, and I'm back with another awesome tutorial for you guys. So on this trend of holistic care and everything, you guys know I'm all about just kind of living more holistically and everything. So one of the things I do to care for my body and everything, I like to make sure that I do Yoni steams. So Yoni steams, they are amazing because you're able to really switch it up depending upon what it is that your body needs. This particular steam, I'm going to be using a couple different ingredients, but keep in mind that you can always research whatever herbs, flowers, or citrus it is, whatever benefits that you need for your particular body and whatever's going on within you. It can be fully customized to whatever you need. So definitely be checking out the subtitles below because I'll make sure I have the information there for you available. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and jump into this Yoni steam, okay? Hey hippies, so to get started and set the mood, I'm just going to start playing my book here on Audible just so I can, get some good vibes going in the room. Now to go ahead and get started with our Yoni steam herbs, the first thing I'm going to do is get a little cup just to place everything in and hold it for the time being while I, put everything together and mix. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is going to be my mugwort. The mugwort is really great for easing menstrual cramps and helping with pain. It's also pretty good for helping to balance female hormone production, so that's always great. Next up, we have our Motherwort. Now, this is really great for toning and cleansing, and it's also going to help with those uterine muscles and cramping as well. So that's kind of a double whammy there, which we definitely need so that way we can be very comfortable. Next up, we have our eucalyptus here. Now, eucalyptus is known for being like a natural cleaner on its own. It's known for its very powerful antimicrobial effects against bacteria. So that's definitely something that we want. It's thought to be very purifying. So, it's really good to, add that in as well. So now I'm going to be adding in a dried lemon wheel. Now lemon wheel contains antioxidants that really help with vaginal health by providing balance of the pH levels. So we love that it helps keep infection at bay. Next, we have our rose petals here. Now, rose petals are known for kind of giving the vagina a facial and everything because it smells really good, and it also helps to soften the skin. So if it softens the skin, it's going to help with, ingrown hairs and things like that, and just kind of the overall appearance too. But this is what we got here. So this right here is going to be my sitz bath. It's available on Amazon, so I will have it linked below, and it's just a cute little bath that you can remove and very easily, and I just pop it right on top of my toilet seat so that way it just kind of holds all my herbs for me and everything. Super cute. I love that it's pink. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to take those herbs that we had mixed up previously, take them here, shake them up a bit, and then you can just go ahead and toss them directly into the sitz bath. So just aim it towards the middle so that way it doesn't go through those little holes on the side and everything. Once I'm done putting that in there, I'm just going to take my boiling water and add that in and allow these herbs just to kind of sit and soak in this just for a little bit so that way it can really loosen up and get the aroma, like the diffusion in the air and stuff. You know what I mean? Alright, so this is me here. I'm just kind of sitting on top with my mask, so don't mind that. What I do is I get a blanket to kind of cover and go over my legs, and then I just kind of sit here for a bit. You can sit here for about 15 to 30 minutes, whatever is comfortable for you once it cools down. So once I'm finished with everything, I just go ahead and give this right back to nature. Since it's completely natural and holistic, I'm able to go ahead and just kind of toss this off into my garden to discard it and let nature just kind of do what it does. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining. Mwah.